Okay, so we're going to move on to part 2 now, where we have to dimension this, but we need to fix the joints. Okay, and maybe even get these things to have hidden lines and get this view, these views kind of looking proper. Alright, so you come in here and you think about what's going on, and I'll turn on snap. My snap is probably on something kind of large here. Yep. Alright, now I shouldn't have any problem getting on the lines. It should be on the 16th. These go halfway in. You can pull them like that, and at this point you really should be conscious of what layer you're working on as you try and move these things and draw things. Alright? Halfway in is 3/8. We can see that. You can actually see that as you pull it up halfway. And then we'll draw a line. Probably O-snap might be getting us in trouble on O-track. Turn them off. Put that line in. Those are done. Now you have a decision here. I think I'm going to pull this line down. We'll join those lines later. And I'll go ahead and pull that line down. In fact, I'm going to go the whole way down to here. And pull that line clear down to there. That makes those shelves adjustable. When they end like a butt joint, they will be adjustable. All right? We have a dado that's going to happen here. And here. Cap it off. My snap is on a 16th, so all this works out pretty easily. I'm just pulling on the blue grips. You get yourself in serious trouble if you're drawing with snap off at this point and you're just guessing at what's going on. And of course I've spoken to you about making sure that snap is on as a novice. Draw a line. O-snap can certainly help you out drawing under those conditions. We'll dado this in. Draw a line. Let me turn on O-snap so that it makes life a little easier to work so far away from the product. There's other ways of stretching these. You could actually use the extend command if you had a line to extend to. All verticals are dadoed, whether they be sides or interior. So pull that up halfway, draw a line across. Anything that's not going to ever move gets dated. Draw a line, cap that off. These dados will not show up in the solid model. Now up top, this line, these two, and this one end up on the hidden layer. You might have to do a Control A to get that to show up and make sure that everything's being controlled by layers here. These are your settings for element properties being controlled by. Sometimes they end up being overridden by manual settings. All three of these should say by layer. 1, 2, 3. These are all hidden lines. And now all we have to do is work on our right side view. And that is very complex in this.